Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Alibaba to source wholesale dropshipping products, complete guide step by step clearly. To source wholesale dropshipping products on Alibaba, start by visiting the Alibaba website. Create an account if you don't have one. Use the search bar at the top to enter keywords related to the products you want to source. Filter results by selecting wholesale and dropshipping options to narrow your search. Review the suppliers listed in the search results. Check their ratings, reviews, and business response rates for credibility. Click on a supplier's listing to view their product details and specifications. Examine the product images and descriptions carefully. Look for pricing information, including minimum order quantities and shipping options. Reach out to the supplier using the Contact Supplier button for inquiries. Ask about bulk pricing, shipping estimates, and their dropshipping policy. Evaluate their response time and quality, as this reflects on their professionalism. Once satisfied, request product samples to assess quality. Place an order for the items you wish to dropship. Negotiate payment terms and shipping methods with the supplier. Consider using buyer protection options offered by Alibaba to secure your transaction. Once your order is confirmed, integrate the product details into your online store. Set the right retail prices based on your sourcing costs. Monitor the inventory and maintain communication with the supplier. When you receive orders, provide the supplier with customer shipping details for dropshipping. Track your shipments until they reach your customers to ensure smooth delivery. Continuously evaluate suppliers for reliability and quality as you grow your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.